Therefore, tomorrow, Saturday, 18th of October 2025, the mortal remains of the former Prime Minister Raila Odinga will be airlifted to Mambo Leo grounds in Kisumu by the Kenya Defence Forces, arriving at 8 a.m. or thereabouts. Members of the public are requested to be settled by 7 a.m. to dignify the arrival of the remains of our leader. There will be public viewing of the mortal remains of the late Prime Minister Raila Odinga at Mambo Leo grounds for most of the day until we are satisfied that everyone has had a chance to respect the remains of our leader. Thereafter, the body will be taken to Bondo for an overnight stay before burial on Sunday. The program for Sunday will be given tomorrow, and I want to announce that the committee will provide information about the event on Sunday tomorrow at 7 p.m. But we will do that through a dispatch to media houses, because now we must relocate to Kisumu and Siaya to make sure that the remaining 2 days proceed as we expect them to proceed. Therefore, 7 p.m. tomorrow, there will be a media dispatch to inform members of the public on the program for Sunday as we finalize this very important exercise. We will not be taking any questions today.